Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart an Audi A4. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as heavy-duty gloves and eye protection. It's crucial to ensure both the dead Audi A4 and the donor vehicle are completely turned off and not making contact with each other. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts or damage. Take a moment to identify the positive and negative terminals on both batteries before proceeding to the next steps. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe jumpstart. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Audi A4 battery. Make sure the connection is firm and stable. Next, take the other end of that same red positive cable and connect it to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Double-check both connections to ensure they are tight. A good connection is vital for a successful jumpstart and helps prevent any unwanted sparks. Next, we'll handle the negative cables. Connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the other end of the black negative cable, find an unpainted metal surface on your Audi A4's engine block, away from the battery. This provides a safe ground connection. It's important to avoid connecting this cable directly to the dead battery's negative terminal, as this can create sparks and potentially ignite battery gases. Safety first. With all cables securely connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Audi A4's battery. After this period, try to start your Audi A4. If it doesn't start immediately, give it a few more minutes of charging and try again. Once your Audi A4 is running, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the negative clamps, then the positive clamps. Drive your Audi A4 for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.